Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. So, I've had the LG 86-inch QNED 85A set up in my living room for a little while now, and, well, let's just get this out of the way. This thing is an absolute monster. You see pictures and read the 86-inch on the box, but you just can't prepare for the sheer scale of it until it's in your space. It's not just a TV, it's a wall. It's the kind of TV you get when you're serious about that home theater vibe, but don't want to mess with projectors and screens. But the big question is, once you get over the wow factor of the size, is the picture actually any good? Is all this QNED Evo AI stuff just marketing buzz, or does it deliver? Let's talk about that picture, because that's why you're here. In a bright room, this TV is an absolute champ. This is where the QNED, that's Quantum Dot plus LG's NanoCell tech, and the mini LED backlight really shine. The brightness is incredible. Watching sports during the day with the blinds open? No problem. The image just punches through the glare and the colors are so vibrant they almost look wet. That 100% color volume claim feels legit. When you're watching a good 4K nature documentary, the reds, greens, and blues are just electric. It's genuinely impressive and a huge step up from my old standard LED. This is the TV's home turf, and it easily wins against an OLED in a sunny room. But let's talk about the AI and the dark room performance, because this is where things get real. When I first fired it up, I turned on all the AI Picture Pro modes, thinking the TV knows best. Honestly, I wasn't blown away. The AI can be really aggressive, sometimes making faces look a little waxy or blowing out bright highlights. It felt like it was trying too hard. The magic happened when I went into the settings, dialed back the AI stuff, and picked a filmmaker mode or ISF expert setting. Then the picture came alive. The detail in dark scenes was suddenly there. Now, is it OLED? No. The mini LED with local dimming does a very good job. The precision dimming gets the black levels respectably dark, way better than a non-mini LED TV. But in a pitch black room, watching a space movie with tiny stars against a black void, you will see some blooming or a slight halo around bright objects. It's just the nature of the tech. Most of the time you won't notice it. But if you're a diehard cinephile coming from a plasma or an OLED, you'll spot it. For 95% of my viewing, it was a non-issue. But it's something you have to know. Okay, let's move on to two other big areas, gaming and sound. For gaming, this TV is a beast. The 120Hz native panel, which can do 144Hz with VRR, is buttery smooth. Hooking up my PS5, the Game Optimizer dashboard popped up, and having ALLM and FreeSync Premium just makes the whole experience seamless. There's no perceptible lag, and fast-paced games look incredible and feel super responsive. This is a top-tier gaming TV, period. The sound, on the other hand, it's fine. It's just fine. The AI Sound Pro tries its best to create a virtual surround effect, and dialogue is clear, which is a plus. But it's totally lacking in bass. At this 86-inch scale, the picture is huge and epic, and the sound just feels small. It's serviceable, but let's be real. A TV this big is practically begging you to pair it with at least a good soundbar and a subwoofer. I'd consider that a mandatory future upgrade. Last couple things. The WebOS Smart Platform is pretty good. It's got every app you could need, and the Magic Remote that you can wave around like a wand is still cool. That said, it can feel a little clunky or slow at times compared to something like Google TV. And just a practical note, this TV is heavy and it's not super thin. That mini LED backlight system adds some chunk. This isn't a wallpaper TV. You need a very sturdy TV stand or a serious heavy-duty wall mount, and you'll definitely need 2, if not 3 people to set it up. So here's the final verdict. The LG 86 QNED 85A is a statement piece. It's an absolute monster of a TV that delivers a stunning, bright, and incredibly colorful picture that's perfect for most living rooms. It's a fantastic choice for bright room viewing and is an A+ panel for next-gen gaming. It's not a perfect OLED killer for darkroom movie purists, and the built-in sound is just okay. but it offers a massive, immersive experience that, frankly, an 86-inch OLED would cost a fortune for. If you want that whoa factor every time you turn on your TV and you're willing to tweak a few settings and buy a soundbar, this thing is an absolute blast.